Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ram 3500. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.